Hello everyone. In this video, we will write a program to print this pattern in Python, which is called as right-aligned inverted triangle pattern. So, for printing, first we have to declare a variable named rows. So, I have commented here number of rows for the pattern. Now, rows equals to 4, as here is 4 rows in the pattern. And then we will write for I in range starting from 1 and goes till rows plus 1. So rows plus 1 means as you already know maybe that for loop run less by 1. So that's why we have written here rows plus 1. And then we will write here print star into 2 into I. So this is just a 3-line program to print this pattern. So simple. So let's run it and then I will explain you again. So here you can see the pattern is printed here, the same pattern. So let's see how it is working. So if you have not accessed this playlist, I want you all to access this playlist and start watching from the scratch to the advanced level. So as there is 4 rows, so I have written here rows equals to 4, and then I have started a loop here for I in range starting from 1 and goes till rows plus 1 as I have already said. For loop runs less by 1. So this will goes to starting from 1 to goes to 4. And then we will print a star. So here I have write star and then into and then 2 into I. So for the first iteration, the value of I will be 1. So 2 into I means 2, and this 2 will get multiplied by a star. So this print function will print 2 star for the first line. And for the second iteration, the value of I will become 2, and then 2 into I, that is 2, gets the value 4. So 4 into star, this print function will print 4 star. So here this is, and then this value will become 3 and then get multiplied by 2 and then will print 6 stars, then will become 4 and get multiplied by 2 and becomes 8, so will print 8 stars. So this is just so simple. So this is how this program is running. I have already made some videos on some other patterns. You can check those videos from the description box. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.